Many people try to relieve neck pain by cracking their own necks. This self-adjustment involves forcefully twisting or bending the neck to create a popping sound. While it may provide temporary relief, it carries significant risks. This releases endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, giving a temporary sense of well-being, but not addressing the underlying issues. Self-adjusting can strain or tear muscles and ligaments. One severe risk is vertebral artery dissection, which can lead to a stroke. Repeated self-adjustment can cause hypermobility, chronic instability, and even nerve damage, resulting in numbness and weakness. Professional chiropractors undergo extensive training to safely adjust the neck. They use specific techniques and diagnostic tools to identify the root cause of pain. Chiropractic adjustments are tailored to individual needs, ensuring proper alignment and long-term relief. Improving ergonomics and using supportive pillows can reduce the need for self-adjustment. Seeking professional chiropractic care is essential for maintaining neck health and preventing serious issues. If you are experiencing neck pain or discomfort, don't risk self-adjusting. Visit doppskc.com to schedule online with Dr. Rory Dopps and ensure your neck is properly cared for by a professional. Proper neck care is crucial for overall health and well-being.